from the Golden Ruler handyman, Ben, and I are going to be removing this sliding door that was put in during home construction, and we're going to be replacing it with a French door, an inward swing French door. Work to do. Concrete guys got us blocked in there a little bit. We may have to do some chipping away at that, to be determined. But this door came from Menards. Here's the product number on the door. Low E, low energy, French swing. It's a steel with a left in swing. While I'm waiting on Ben to arrive, I decided to get started trying to remove the sliding door. I've got the rollers on the bottom. I got them cranked down as low as they'll go so that'll give us more room to get the door out. But I'm gonna treat this as a two-man operation, so we'll resume that when he gets here. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll have to swing around, turn around. Ben is arriving. By the way, right here, hi Jared. Jared, you can see anything. Anything we're doing. We'll try to keep it clean.
Well, what we'll do is we'll just put a sticker over the...
Yeah. Now how to get to them. Because this isn't quite like... Well, and until we get the doors out, we're not going to be able to do anything, so...
Okay.
Now it's in the floor. Yeah, the builder put this on. The guy remodeled it. We'll keep pressure on this. Okay, let me help you.
Yeah, go in there and cut that. That right there.
Oh, just the, you're talking about the floor stuff.
Yeah.
Now try. Hold on. All right, try it again. All right, I think we're good now. I'll just keep cutting as you pull. There's probably adhesive underneath the. We're loose. That's just the side. We're good. I need help. I was gonna say, let me help you over here.
Here. You need something with one left. Here.
No, she won't waste time dealing with you.
Sugar. They have that.
All right, so what do you suggest? We tilt it. Take your best shot, man. I can, here, let me see if I can.
All right, Jared. Doors out. You're on your own. Now, we do have to get this shit out of here.
Mm-hmm.
Somehow.
Well, we've opened up the package here. This is going to be the French door that we're putting in. Unpainted steel. We've got good news in that we just measured the rough opening, and there is room for the door. There's one measurement we took that says right at the minimum we need. But we can always chisel out a little if we need to, but looks like it's going to be pretty good. So we'll be getting the doorway prepped to install a French door. We got some work to do. Sure is good to see that opening. Okay, we didn't have the camera on, but we did the dry fit. So we've still got to trim some siding and put some trim pieces back on, put some flashing in. Got a number of things to do. Ben's going to mark a line so we know where to cut the siding, and we're headed for touchdown. We got a lot to do yet, but we're real happy that the dry fit moved in there perfectly. We have the dry fit. We're in good shape. We're going to move it out now to finish up the work on the opening. Almost. Okay, on three. 1, 2, 3.
A little more, a little more.
Okay, just sit her down.
Okay, we wound up having to take the trim pieces off that come on the door.
Plus, we want to paint them anyway.
They're really just stapled in with some fine nails, which we can redo it later. And it'll make it a little easier to get in and paint them before we put them back up. So we're in the final stretch here now of getting this thing caulked and fastened down. We're going to put some flashing on here. I'm going to have to put the camera down, help Ben. Got to get under the siding and out to the edge of the door. We're not going to finish up the trim in this episode, but we'll come back and do that later. Let me help. However, whatever you tell me, I'll do.
Yeah, you hold back on that.
Obviously, that doesn't matter. For my own personal satisfaction, get in there. Okay, now I'm just going to let you do your thing and seal that, and then we'll have to regroup. Get further down unless you're happy. Yeah, that's good. That's good.